By the end of this video, you should effectively know how to go about doing decentralized arbitrage and capitalize on it. So first thing first, what is decentralized arbitrage? So decentralized arbitrage or DEX arbitrage is actually a cryptocurrency trading strategy whereby you capitalize with the price differences of a particular cryptocurrency in two different respective decentralized exchange. But think about it, without spotting this decentralized arbitrage, there is no way that the arbitrage trading is probably going to take place for the profit to be made. That's the more reason in this video I'm going to be going over to be showing you how to go about spotting this decentralized arbitrage so as to equally take an advantage of it and capitalize on it. So if that sounds like what you're interested in and you literally want to know how to go about doing all of this, hit the like button for me. Let's get right straight into the video real quick. So first thing first, I'm going to be using this application called Dex Screener to go about spotting this opportunity, this decentralized arbitrage opportunity. So head over to your respective app store and download Dex Screener. It is on there. So once you've opened up Dex Screener, you will need to make some configuration to it so it can suit this decentralized arbitrage trading strategy. And keep in mind, right after spotting this opportunity, I'll be showing you how to do the implementation manually yourself. But keep in mind, this can be done automatically. That's where flash loan comes in. And in order to utilize the flash loan, you will need to create a trading bot using a little bit of a coding knowledge to create the bot. And after then, you can authorize the bot to borrow money from a smart contract using something known as flash loan. And you do not even have to use your real money to do the trading. The flash loan is going to borrow a bunch of USDT from a smart contract, and then it will automate the trade for you. It will scan through different platforms to look for those different prices and automate the trade for you. So you do not have to basically do any work yourself. All you will need to do is to create the bot and authorize it. But that one will probably need a higher level of a little bit of like a coding knowledge from you. That is the more reason I do not want to go over that one. But if you need that specifically like a mentorship, I can provide that for you. But anyways, in this video, I will go over to be showing you how to do it manually yourself. So think about it. There are different kind of decentralized platform, from your SushiSwap to PancakeSwap to what we call Uniswap as well. There are hundreds if not thousands of them. So these decentralized platforms are there. All you will need to do is to scan through different of them and know where the price differ in a particular cryptocurrency. That's what I'm about to show you right now. So once you've opened up Dex Screener, we'll be using Dex Screener to go over all of this and some few platforms I'll be showing you during the course of this video. So make sure you watch it all the way through so that you can fully understand how this works effectively for the optimum result. So once you've opened up Dex Screener, by default it is going to be on the trending 6 hour. So you need to probably switch it up to the trending 24 hours. So click on it and select 24 hours right there below. So after then, we will also make some changes to this all chains. So click on all chains right below here and switch it up to Solana. And after then, we will as well make some changes to the market cap. So switch it up to, like, scroll to the right hand side on the bottom lower there and select market cap. And then we will make a typical minimum market cap of about 95 or 96 million probably. So let me select 96. 1 2 3 1 2 3. That should be 96 million. Then we will click on apply, and apparently these are all what we got with those following filters. So let's go for anyone at all. There is no like an objective reason. Just click on anyone and watch out for these rules I'm about to show you. Let's choose that one called fat coin. So this is what it looks like now. The liquidity has to be locked, by the way. Okay, you should see something like a lock button there on anyone you intend to use in doing this. So after then, we will need to now check on the prices between Radium and Pump.fun, because these are the two different popular respective decentralized exchange that this fat coin is being traded on. So that's the more reason I'm going to head over to Dex Radium rather now and Pump.fun to verify all of this. So open up your Phantom in order to access this different decentralized platform. We will be making use of Phantom to achieve that. Okay, so Phantom work together with Radium and Pump.fun to either buy or sell any coin respectively, just like Trust Wallet works with PancakeSwap, Uniswap and the likes. So right on Phantom, I will need to now click on let's click on this section that says search on the bottom lower there, and then you get to see varieties of interface there. So we need to now look for where Radium is, but you cannot just look for it randomly. We will make some search so it can come up easily. So search for Radium using that search button at the top upper there. Click on it and search for Radium. So I think Radium is this first one, so click on that first one. It should come up like this, and then you click on open. Once you click on open, the site is going to open up, which is basically radium.io. okay, make sure you are on the precise one. The precise one is radium.io. So let me enter radium.io real quick there, and then I'll click on connect. Connect is right at the top right corner there. So click on connect, and thereafter you select Phantom. So once you've selected Phantom, you will need to now click on connect. So it will now connect Radium with Phantom together so it can interact. So after then, we will need to switch this icon upward rather. Then I will minimize this and head on here, so we can now copy the smart contract of that fat coin. This will enable us to know the price at which it is being traded on Radium. So we need to now copy the contract address of that fat coin on the Solana ecosystem precisely. So click on there, click on this little copy icon right above here. It will basically copy that contract. Then you quickly head on to Phantom. So once you're on Phantom, that exact page, we will need to click on this section that says store below there, and then it will paste the contract right there. The aim of doing this is to know the price differences, so we can know where to start from and where to end with. Let me quickly copy the contract real quick. And if you are watching up till this moment, do drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So now I'm going to now pay attention to the prices, but before then I'll switch this icon upward. Let's do like this. So it should be fiat coin trading with Solana, and this is the price 0.023 236. This is the value of it. Take note of that. You guys will tell me where the coin is trading lower and higher, definitely. So another exchange we will also make use of this is going to be either pom.fun or Jupiter. There are various type of decentralized platform. It all lies on you, whichever one you intend to use. So here is how it's going to work. I'm going to also paste this right off the back at the top here, and this is the coin. And before then, you might have connected your wallet if you haven't already. So mine is connected. Let us scroll down, and we will need to now make use of this connect. Let us connect it real quick. Still using Phantom. We are going to be connecting it through Phantom as well. So now that it has been connected, it should be able to display the prices so we can know where the differences lies. So at this point, I'm going to enter so here we go. Here is the prices. One fat coin is 0.002294 here. Meanwhile, the other one was about 0.0023. You can see the differences. So that probably tell you that here is trading lower, and the other one is trading at a much higher price. So that probably give us the reason to buy the fat coin on Jupiter. Then we equally now simultaneously sell it on Radium and retain the profit apparently. So I have successfully buy the fiat coin on Jupiter. We should be able to now sell it on Radium and retain the profit. As simple as that. You do not have to make it so complicated. And keep in mind, my mentorship is still ongoing. It only costs 30 USDT. If you want to be part of it, send a DM. My number is down below in the description. Okay, just go straight to the point, stating that you want to join the mentorship. I'm going to follow you up from there. So until then, we are going to now sell it on Radium apparently, but I do not want to go over that because YouTube do not allow me to do the complete trading. I think YouTube is monitoring all of this, so I do not want to violate any community guideline or something like that. So I have to let it be there, and I'll leave you to go out there and also do your research based off of this strategy and test it out to know how it works. Let me know in the comment section when you've done it. So apparently that'll be all for now, and I'll catch you all later. Peace out.